Hi, and welcome back to Mr. Haas's Help Math videos. Got one that's sometimes a little bit hard for us. Double number lines. Double number lines are really nothing more than ratios, really. It's two number lines that are going to remain constant ratio to each other. If you want to think about them like this, they are equivalent ratios all the way across. You know how we sometimes have to simplify? Well, this is basically, you can start off all the way at the far end and then simplify all the way down to the smallest relationship, the smallest ratio numbers. I'll show you. Hang in there. So this video is about double number lines. Okay, so double number lines. Let me show you how this works. We talked about them a little bit in class. So here are my two number lines, and they are tied together at both ends. Okay, one end I'm going to put 0, and this is our percent line, and this is our number line. I'm going to put 100% down here. 0% of anything is 0, right? 100%? Well, I'm not going to tell you that right now, because they aren't going to tell you. And here's how this all works. Let's say we do tell you that I've got 70% of something. Let's say I've got a jar of marbles, and I don't know how many are in them, but I do know that 56 of them are 70%. Well, the way you could do this is you look for an equivalent ratio. And what we do is we draw a line down here close to 0, and we make this our 10%. And all you have to do to get from 70% to 10% is divide 70 by 7, right? So we divide that by 7. Well, I've chosen a really nice number up here, 56, which is a factor of 7. So when I divide that by 7, I find that my answer, the other factor, is 8. And so that is 8. 10% is 8 of them. See? 10 times 7 is 70. 8 times 7 is 56. Well, now I can figure out exactly how much 100% would be. Because if I multiply 10% times 10, that gets me 100%. If I multiply then the 8 by 10, that tells me that 100% of my marbles is 80. Okay? You can still use this. Watch this. How much would 50% be? Well, 50%, all I would have to do now is multiply my 10 times 5. That gives me 50. And my 8 times 5 is going to give me 40. Okay? So you can do that for any percentage in through here. Let's talk about one that's a little bit different. Okay? Let's put one in here that's a little bit trickier. Okay? You ready? So I'm making my double number lines. This one's going to be my number. This one's going to be my percent. Here's my 0, and 0 of anything is 0. 0% of anything is 0. Here's my 100%. Okay? And I'm going to give you 39. Ooh, that's a weird number, Mr. Haas. I know, but watch. I'm just going to show you that you can not only figure percent, well, you can figure out that you could figure out 70% of this. You would first do the 10% and then multiply by 7. You could figure out 60%, all that. That's easy. That's easy. Let's try it with decimals, okay? So if I wanted to know, let's say I wanted to know how much 60% is. Wow, this could be pretty tricky. Let's find out our 10%. How much is 10% of 39? Well, we divide this 100 by 10, and that gives us 10%. If we take the 39 and divide it by 10, it's 3.9, right? Just move the decimal. We did that here. So what number would that be? Let's go to 60. To get to 10 to 60%, you multiply by 6. 3.9 times 6, right? would give us how much 60% is. So 6 times 9 is 54. There's our 4, and our 5 goes over here. Our 6 times 3 is 18, plus the 5 is 23. The 3 goes here, and the 2 goes there. All right, we have one digit here, and that 9 means that we're going to have to move from the right to the left one place. That means that our number is 23.4. Okay, well, that's pretty cool. So, wanted to add one last thing. So, special treat here. It is math with cats. So, we're going to look over here. And we got our good friend. Hey, Jummah. How you doing, Jummah? You see us over here? Jummah. Bean. Jummah, there you go. How you doing? Gonna zoom in on you, bud. You having a good time? Are you liking math? Huh? Come on up and say hello to the math. Jummah? Yeah, come on up. There you go. Hi, Jummah. Do you like math? Huh? Yeah? All right. Jummah likes double number line math. So, hope you like meeting Jummah. I'll see if I can get him or some other pets into our math. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.